Ever wondered who's behind the scenes, analyzing your blood tests or developing new cancer treatments? That's where clinical scientists come in. Clinical scientists spend a lot of time in labs, analyzing patient samples to diagnose diseases. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of medical knowledge through research. They develop and implement new medical technologies to improve patient care. Clinical scientists often work directly with patients, explaining test results and discussing treatment options. So, if you're passionate about science, medicine, and making a difference in people's lives, a career as a clinical scientist could be the perfect fit. To enter this profession, you'll need either a first or 2-1 honors degree in a relevant subject such as biochemistry, biology, biomedical science, biotechnology, medical physics, engineering, genetics, microbiology, physics, or physiology. Getting onto one of these degree courses typically requires at least 2 A-levels or 3 Highers in Scotland, including a science subject, as well as 5 GCSEs, or National Fives, at grades C or above, or 4-9 in England, covering English and maths. If you don't have a strong academic background in science, don't worry. Some universities offer a 1-year foundation course to help you catch up. After earning your degree, the most common pathway to becoming a registered clinical scientist in the NHS is through the National Health Service Scientist Training Programme, STP. The STP allows you to specialize in areas such as life sciences, like genomics or clinical immunology, physiological sciences, including audiology or sleep sciences, clinical bioinformatics, such as health informatics, and physical sciences, like radiotherapy physics or clinical pharmaceutical science. The specific specialisms offered can vary slightly each year, and candidates can apply to a maximum of 2. This highly competitive program lasts 3 years and includes a combination of practical training and study, leading to a master's degree. When you start, you'll be in a pre-registration clinical scientist training role. Upon completing the program, you'll be eligible for state registration with the Health and Care Professions Council, HCPC. To register, you'll need a Certificate of Attainment, which is awarded by the Academy for Healthcare Science, AHCS, or the Association of Clinical Scientists, ACS. It's a challenging journey, but it opens the door to a rewarding and impactful career as a clinical scientist. An alternative path into the scientist training program is through the Certificate of Equivalence, offered by the Academy for Healthcare Science, AHCS. This option is designed for those who already have at least 3 years of professional experience in a health or science setting. Once you've completed the Certificate of Equivalence, you can apply to register with the Health and Care Professions Council, HCPC, just like those coming through the STP. But what happens after you've gained your registration and spent some time as a clinical scientist? Well, after at least 1 year of experience as a registered clinical scientist, you could take the next big step in your career by working towards becoming a consultant clinical scientist. This opportunity comes through the NHS Higher Specialist Scientist Training Programme, HSST. The HSST is an advanced and rigorous program tailored for experienced scientists who want to develop high-level expertise in their field. It's a pathway to senior leadership roles within healthcare, combining advanced training, research, and practice. As a consultant clinical scientist, you could be at the forefront of scientific innovation, contributing to groundbreaking treatments and influencing the future of healthcare. This career progression showcases how becoming a clinical scientist is not just about entering a fascinating and impactful profession, it's also about continuous growth and the chance to achieve leadership in healthcare science. Clinical scientists play a vital role in a wide range of settings. While many work within the NHS, opportunities also exist in Public Health England, private research centres, and various industries. The day-to-day responsibilities can be as diverse as the settings themselves. You'll often collaborate closely with doctors, providing expert advice on which diagnostic tests to use for patients, analyzing and reporting results, and even recommending the best course of treatment. But it doesn't stop there. Clinical scientists are also at the cutting edge of innovation, researching and testing new treatment methods. You might also advise on the best equipment, materials, or technologies to improve healthcare outcomes. Specialization is another exciting aspect of this profession. You could focus on fields like clinical embryology, contributing to advances in fertility treatment, or hematology, where you delve into blood disorders and their treatments. Other specialisms might include medical physics, where you work on imaging technologies like MRIs, or microbiology, studying pathogens to combat infectious diseases. To succeed as a clinical scientist, it's essential to have a deep passion for both medicine and science, combined with a strong desire to make a positive difference in people's lives. This profession requires a unique blend of qualities that enable you to navigate both the technical and human aspects of healthcare. Observational skills are crucial. You'll need to notice the smallest details in data, results, or patient conditions to ensure accuracy and precision in your work. Technical expertise is equally important, as you'll frequently handle complex scientific equipment and perform hands-on practical tasks to achieve reliable outcomes. Organization is another key attribute. You'll often be managing multiple responsibilities, such as conducting tests, analyzing results, and meeting deadlines. A methodical approach will help you stay on top of your workload while maintaining high standards of quality and accuracy. Teamwork plays a significant role too. As a clinical scientist, you'll collaborate with doctors, nurses, technicians, and other healthcare professionals to deliver the best possible outcomes for patients. Strong communication skills and the ability to thrive in a multidisciplinary team are essential. As a clinical scientist, your typical work week is around 37.5 hours, generally Monday to Friday. However, depending on your specialism, flexibility may be required. You might need to work evenings or weekends, especially if you're on call. This means being available to respond to urgent situations, such as providing critical test results or troubleshooting equipment issues that are essential for patient care. Most of your time will be spent working in a laboratory or within a specialist hospital department, depending on your area of expertise. For example, you could be in a hematology lab analyzing blood samples, or in a radiology department assisting with imaging technologies. Occasionally, your work may take you beyond the lab. You might travel to other hospitals to collaborate with colleagues, set up equipment, or provide expert guidance. You'll also have opportunities to attend conferences and stay up to date with the latest advances in your field, which is crucial in such a fast-evolving profession. While much of your role focuses on working behind the scenes, you may also have direct patient contact, especially in areas like audiology or clinical embryology, where your expertise plays a hands-on role in patient treatment. This blend of technical work, collaboration, and occasional patient interaction makes the role both dynamic and rewarding. Career progression as a clinical scientist is largely performance-based, meaning your growth depends on your ability to take on more responsibilities and contribute to your field. Advancing in your career often involves participating in research and development projects, which could lead to innovations in treatments, diagnostic tools, or healthcare practices. If you reach the level of consultant clinical scientist, you'll take on a leadership role, overseeing large departments and making significant contributions to your area of expertise. This could involve shaping departmental strategies, mentoring junior staff, or spearheading groundbreaking projects that influence healthcare on a wider scale. For those who want to broaden their horizons, there's also the option to move between departments to gain additional training and diversify your skills. This can be a great way to explore different specialisms and find your niche. Beyond clinical practice, Many clinical scientists pursue opportunities in lecturing or training, sharing their knowledge with the next generation of healthcare professionals. Studying for a PhD is another pathway, allowing you to deepen your expertise and potentially become a leading researcher in your field. And if you're looking for international opportunities, your skills and qualifications as a clinical scientist can open doors to working abroad, whether in research, healthcare, or industry. This global mobility allows you to expand your impact and experience new challenges in healthcare systems around the world. As a clinical scientist, the work you do has a direct impact on patients' lives. By helping to diagnose conditions and recommend effective treatments, you play a key role in improving their quality of life. Whether it's identifying a rare genetic disorder, fine-tuning a treatment plan, or ensuring the accuracy of a diagnostic test, your contributions can make a profound difference. However, with this responsibility comes significant pressure. Mistakes in your work could lead to an incorrect diagnosis or inappropriate treatment, potentially affecting a patient's health and well-being. This means attention to detail, precision, and a methodical approach are absolutely essential in every task you undertake. The pressure can be intense, especially when working on urgent cases or managing multiple responsibilities. But for those who thrive under challenges, the rewards of knowing that your expertise is helping patients every day far outweigh the demands. Your ability to stay focused, remain calm, and collaborate effectively with other healthcare professionals ensures that the care provided is both accurate and impactful. It's a demanding role, but one where your skills and dedication truly have the power to change lives. Salaries for clinical scientists can vary depending on your employer and location, with additional allowances available for those working in London to account for the higher cost of living. As a trainee clinical scientist within the NHS, you can expect to earn between £35,392 and £42,618 per year, which corresponds to Band 6 on the NHS pay scale. Once you're fully registered as a clinical scientist, your salary typically increases to £43,742, £50,056, or Band 7. With experience and progression, your earning potential grows significantly. For those who take on senior roles, such as advanced practitioners, consultant clinical scientists, or departmental leads, salaries can rise dramatically, reaching as much as £114,949 per year at Band 9. These roles often involve high levels of responsibility, leadership, and expertise in a specific area of healthcare science. Beyond NHS roles, opportunities in research, academia, or industry may offer competitive salaries with the potential for performance bonuses or project-based incentives. These positions can sometimes provide more flexibility in terms of specialization and career direction. The financial rewards reflect the expertise, dedication, and impact that clinical scientists bring to the healthcare system, making it not only a fulfilling but also a well-compensated career choice. For anyone interested in diving deeper into this career path, there are some excellent resources available to guide you. Visit www.acb.org.uk for detailed information on clinical biochemistry, laboratory medicine, and the roles of scientists within these fields. Explore www.asclinsci.org for insights into clinical scientist registration, training, and ongoing professional development. Check out www.healthcareers.nhs.uk for a comprehensive look at healthcare roles, pathways, and advice on working within the NHS. These websites offer valuable information about training, qualifications, job opportunities, and the latest developments in healthcare science. Whether you're just starting out or considering your next steps in this field, they're a great place to begin your journey. Thank you for watching Career Chronicles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps support the channel. See you in the next one.